specifically to bring the crew or the prospective crew down to the bottom of the gangway for my inspection before you brought them aboard. Take these lads off of the ship, get them down on the gangway at the bottom where just as I told you in the first place. Carry on, Mr. McKenna.
I am Mr. Williams, but I thought they had such beautiful names. You want to meet them right away? We have a lady.
I told you specifically to bring me 10 to 12 lads for my inspection with 10 years experience, sailing experience. You bring me 35 individuals that have barely 10 years life under their belts. Mr. McKay, this is unacceptable.
No, Mr. Williams. No, Mr. Williams.
There are 35 individuals in front of me, and I'm louder than you all. Do you have seamen's cards or not?
No! Yes!
There should be no more yeses or yes on this ship. Now, safety rules. Firstly, your hands must be free at all times. The ship will pitch, the ship will roll. The captain likes everything twice as loud. All right, carry on. Very well. Your feet need to remain on the deck at all times. 2 feet.
I intend to set sail at 20:30 this evening and will not change my plans. You must have them in good order by that time so we can get underway in a timely manner, or I will take it out of your way. Carry on.
Aye,
From the Port of San Francisco to all ports worldwide that might supply lumber, including Portland, Seattle, San Pedro, San Diego, Acapulco, Valparaiso, and other such ports and places in any part of the world as the master may direct. Back to a final port of discharge in the United States, for a term not exceeding 12 calendar months.
Oh my God!
Quite a large building. Quite sure that works. There's salt.
Oh, yeah.
Salty there. How do you keep your accent?
Hi, Sarah. It's well. Just lay down. It's fine. Boat plug secure, mate.
Stand by. Away!